Wala na nga ako. Wala na tayong gimbal. So, paano mano-mano tayo? Let's go.
Okay. Ito pa yung pansin mo. So, yung mga magagamit na bangka po, yung motorized boat. Okay, so I think you are ready na po.
Guys, kamusta kayo? Hey, Arns! Finally, we are now here in Tugigaraw na malapit sa araw.
Yes.
Ano mo?
Tugigaraw and then sun.
Ganon ka-init. Pero very welcome naman po yung mga Tugigarawenyo. Parang pa-invento. So yun, we're done na with the visit yung Calao Cave. We are now heading back to the airport because we're going to fetch parang school lang si Crisep and si Jello. Let's go! And then mahati yung team natin. So some of them will go to the airport. Kami naman grocery kasi bibili kami ng mga goods. Sumama ka. Char! Hey, Ors! Hindi nyo naman sinabi na picnic po pala talaga ipupunta. Ate, sis, ilang araw daw ba to? Magsabi ka ng totoo, ilang araw tayo doon? Hey. Ganda Arns, how's the experience? The canyoneering, water tubing, charing walang water tubing.
I can't explain.
Because gago. Kasi na-cancel ka ng social media. Again, pasensya na po. It was not my intention to say. Charing. That is good, nakapagod. Tiring but super sulit naman. Mami, Kazep, hello, good evening. We are now here in McDonald's. Pari pala, no? Mami Sins. Pagoda. Hey, Jello. Good evening, Kuya Michael. Sir Bimby. Ay, pagod na po sila. Good morning, guys. So, quick update lang. Time check, it's already 6:25 in the morning, and this is our day 2 of our Tuguegarao Calayan tour. I have here with me Arns na nakatulog ng mahimbing, and we have here
good morning,
Kuya Mike. So, dito kami nag-stay sa Hotel Dayan here in Apari. And now, we are going to the port. Kasi pupunta na tayo sa Port Santiago. Akala ko naman sa Bulacan lang ulit. Char, let's go! Narito na, please welcome the one and only Katja Santos. Ang Katja Santos na, Batangas. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Jello. Yeah, we're going to Calayan. Krisep! Okay, ganda. Pagod na tayo. So we're going to Calayan from Apari Port. So it will take us 5 to 6 hours going to the island. So let's go! Arns. Good evening po.
Internet na dito. Ba't ka namin kailangan pumunta sa malayo?
Hindi nyo dapat pahirapan.
Patahin mo ng aso. Ano gagawin natin?
Hindi nyo dapat pahirapan ang mga sarili nyo.
Bakit kayo nagmamahal?
Good morning everyone. Yan, kita nyo naman po. Talaga naman kung pasabog tayo today. Ano po ang purpose ng bra? Well, hindi ko din naman alam. So today we are going to our island tour together with our team. So let's go. Magdidilaw tayo today and some Mexican outfit. Parang very Puerto Rico naman po yung peg natin. Hey Arns, good morning. Kamusta ka?
Okay na ba yung welcome sa resort ko pala?
Oo, very owner naman yung peg ng outfit.
If it's getting hard, if it's getting too hard for you to keep running, baby, take a minute, slow down, yeah. You love it. If it's getting too hard for you to keep running, baby, take a minute, slow down, yeah. You love it. Getting hard, if it's getting too hard for you to keep running, baby, take a minute, slow down, yeah. You love it. if it's getting too hard for you to keep running. Baby, take a minute, slow down, yeah. You love it.